Well, now at 4:30, a disturbing and unprovoked attack in the subway. Look at that. You see that man come up from behind and punch that woman in the back of the head.
Today, that woman and her family are talking, and News 4's Myles Miller is live from Sunnyside. Myles, this is so obviously terrifying. What are they saying today about this, and how's she doing?
Well, Lusby is doing better today. She went to the hospital, but we know that just last week she was trying to get to this train station, but instead ended up in the hospital. Cameras rolling as Lusby Gallejo walks on the 7 train platform at Grand Central Terminal with her headphones in. She's blindsided with a powerful punch.
He just came from behind and attacked her randomly. No words, no nothing. She didn't even see him coming.
Lusby, who doesn't speak much English, is a crossing guard by day and cleans the Moroccan embassy at night. Her daughter translates what happened to her last Thursday at Grand Central.
She was punched in the back of her head. She has a bruise and she got her hand fractured as well. 2
fractures, so now she's forced to miss 6 weeks of work, and her arm is in a cast. Lusby told News 4 in Spanish she needs to work.
She cannot do anything on her own. I have to constantly help her get dressed, cook, clean.
Lusby showed us the fracture on her hand, and she says there's still a bruise on her head. Sleeping is a daily challenge. NYPD statistics show assaults in the subway are up this year. 268 incidents as of Sunday compared to 191 last year. Police working around the clock to make sure there are no repeat attacks. Asked if she'll return to the subway, she told us no time soon. You'll hear more on that and what her message was from what happened and how she feels about what happened with the suspect coming up at 5:30 this evening. We are live in Sunnyside, Queens. I'm Myles Miller, News 4. Back to you.